Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best janitorial carts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment in maintaining a clean and organized environment, whether you're a professional cleaner, a facility manager, or even just someone looking to streamline your home cleaning routine, as these versatile tools are designed to carry all your cleaning supplies, tools, and waste in one convenient and mobile unit, significantly improving efficiency and reducing the time spent searching for misplaced items or making multiple trips. Number 5. Merhoff and Larkin Trash Can Caddy Bag XL. Crafted from commercial-grade yellow vinyl, this bag is built for durability and long-lasting use. It's an essential addition to your cleaning or janitorial supplies. This versatile apron fits garbage bins ranging from 32 to 55 gallons. It's compatible with popular brands like Brute, Rubbermaid, and Uline. Keep your cleaning tools organized with 12 spacious pockets. It can hold spray bottles, brushes, liners, and other essential custodian supplies. Designed to stay put, it features Velcro straps and snap-in clips. Simply attach the clips to the handles and secure the straps around the bin. Support a small, American-owned business with this practical cleaning accessory. It's designed for efficiency and reliability in your daily tasks. What we like. If you need a simple yet effective way to organize your cleaning tools and trash bags, this is for you. It's designed to fit a wide range of trash cans and offers ample pocket space for all your essentials. Consider this if you're looking for a no-fuss, durable solution to keep your supplies readily accessible. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and well-built, making it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The multiple compartments and shelves provide ample storage space for all cleaning supplies. It maneuvers easily on different floor surfaces, which is a great convenience. Number 4. Rubbermaid Commercial Executive Quick Cart. Experience unparalleled durability with our commercial-grade construction. Its high-performance materials and robust aluminum handle are built to withstand the demands of daily, rigorous use. This cart is designed for adaptability, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether for housekeeping, maintenance, or public areas, it seamlessly fits into any professional environment. Its compact and ergonomic design allows it to blend discreetly into upscale settings. Work smarter and more productively, maintaining a polished image with every use. Navigate tight spaces with ease thanks to its lightweight and compact design. It empowers you to complete tasks efficiently and discreetly, improving your workflow. Keep it looking pristine with the built-in fabric protector coating. It repels oil, water, and stains, ensuring it maintains its professional appearance through daily wear and tear. Enjoy smooth, quiet operation with robust ball-bearing wheels. They are designed for heavy-duty use on various surfaces, ensuring reduced noise and effortless movement. Rest assured with our commitment to quality. This cart comes with a 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind for your investment. What we like. For those who prioritize a polished appearance and quiet operation, this cart is an excellent choice. Its compact design and stain-repellent fabric make it ideal for upscale environments where discretion is key. If you're in hospitality or healthcare and need a professional, easy-to-maneuver cart, this one is worth considering. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and well-built, making it durable for heavy use. It has multiple compartments and shelves that are adjustable, allowing for customized organization of cleaning supplies. The wheels are smooth and maneuverable, making it easy to move the cart around large spaces. Number 3. Rubbermaid Commercial Executive Series Janitorial Cart. Introducing a versatile cleaning cart designed for efficiency. Its front platform is perfect for holding your mop bucket or a large trash container. Collecting waste is now easier and safer. The front access zippered bag allows for simple removal, reducing strain on your back. Keep all your cleaning essentials organized and within reach. With 11 tool hooks, there's plenty of space for brooms, mops, and safety signs. This cart is built to last. Its water and chemical-resistant finish ensures easy maintenance and long-lasting good looks. Keep your cleaning supplies secure and out of sight. Locking cabinet doors provide peace of mind when the cart is unattended. Maximize your staff's productivity with exceptional storage and organization. This cart helps minimize trips and streamlines the cleaning process. Maintain a professional appearance in any area. The durable vinyl bag hides trash, and its easy-to-clean design keeps it looking pristine. What we like. If security and efficiency are your top concerns, this cart offers a robust solution. The locking cabinet ensures your supplies are safe, and the front access zippered bag makes waste disposal easier on your back. This is ideal for facilities that require secure storage and streamlined waste management. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and well-built, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The multiple compartments and shelves provide ample storage space for all your cleaning supplies, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Its compact design allows it to navigate tight spaces and hallways with ease, making it efficient for use in various environments. Number 2. YITAHOME Janitorial Cart with Wheels. Meet the YITAHOME Janitorial Cart, your ultimate cleaning companion. Designed for efficiency and durability, it's ready to tackle any task. This cart is equipped with 2 large trash bags, a lid to control odors, and an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. It also includes durable gloves for hand protection. Constructed from high-strength PP material, it's resistant to water, chemicals, and scratches. Its reinforced structure ensures stability and longevity, even with heavy use. Experience effortless movement with its high-quality TPR rubber wheels. The silent, steady glide and easy steering make navigating any space a breeze, while protecting your floors. With 3 secure shelves, a front platform, and multiple hooks, it provides generous storage for all your cleaning supplies and equipment. The middle shelf is even adjustable for your convenience. Setting it up is quick and easy with clear instructions. The waterproof surfaces are simple to clean, and changing trash bags is a seamless process. What we like. This cart is a great all-around option for those who need comprehensive features and quiet mobility. It comes with helpful extras like a lid for odor control and gloves, plus adjustable storage for maximum organization. If you're looking for a versatile and user-friendly cart that handles various cleaning tasks smoothly, this is a strong contender. What people say. This Janitorial cart is of high quality, and its structure is solid enough to carry all the equipment and cleaning solutions needed for the job. It's the right size and very easy to put together. Absolutely love this for my commercial business. I'm going to be investing more in the future. You will need a rubber hammer. Just an FYI, I'm 4 feet 11 inches and took my about 13 minutes to assemble. Quick and easy. The instructions come very straightforward. It's one page with pictures to show you the step-by-step. It really moves gently. I use this in my 7,000 square feet building I clean, and it's helped me cut my clean time in half. With its storage space option for my mop or vacuum, I use the yellow bag with a black trash bag to get all the small trash cans in the offices. Worth the investment so you don't have to be hauling or running back and forth for things. Number 1. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the revolutionary cleaning power of the pink stuff. It's your all-purpose solution for tackling tough messes. Watch as it effortlessly cuts through grease and grime. This miracle paste makes cleaning simple and effective. From kitchens to bathrooms and beyond, it's designed to work wonders everywhere. Achieve a sparkling clean with ease. Experience a powerful clean without harsh chemicals. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your surfaces. Make your cleaning routine a breeze with this incredible paste. Get ready for a truly miraculous clean. What we like. While not a cart, this cleaning paste is a fantastic addition to any janitorial toolkit. It tackles tough grime and stains effectively across various surfaces, simplifying your cleaning process. If you're looking for a powerful, multi-purpose cleaner that can handle a wide range of messes, this miracle paste is a must-have. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of supplies. It has multiple compartments that make it easy to organize everything. The wheels are smooth and make it easy to maneuver around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.